This How to Do Florida segment is presented by Visit Florida.
I'm headed into the Gulf of Mexico, off Naples, to go spearfishing. My guide, Captain Bill D'Antuono, a well-known dive master and founder of the Naples Spearfishing League. Also joining us is Katie Lockinen, an environmental specialist with the City of Naples. She's been involved in the city's successful artificial reef program and will be diving on one of the artificial reefs she helped oversee. We set a course for one of Kathy's artificial reefs nearby.
So, Captain, what kind of fish can we spear today?
Today we're going to be targeting mangrove snapper, hopefully a cobia.
Wow.
There's other species of snapper like cubera and lane snapper. So you really have to have a good eye and you have to really know your fish species to target them.
And size-wise too, right? All those fish have limits on size.
Right. If you have to think about it, don't shoot it. So
okay.
That's my rule.
All that talk got me ready to get on some fish. Thankfully, it didn't take too long to reach our next spot.
We have arrived, and I'm waiting for the structure. There it is. You can see a piece of the reef.
Okay, we're here, first spot.
Chad, here is your weapon of choice.
Oh.
This is the AB Biller 48 Special. This could pretty much take down any fish that you can come across in these waters. It has a tether to it, so there's a line here that when you shoot the spear, the line is gonna...
But this line helps you pull the fish in too, right?
The line will help you keep the fish in front of you. Yeah. It's not going to swim away.
After a very thorough lesson on loading, safety, and marksmanship, I was about as ready as I was ever going to be.
Well, let's go do it.
All right, I'm all for it.
So we're going to go down there and check out this artificial reef. Did you put this down here yourself, personally?
There were 3 entities that deployed these reefs. City Naples, who I work for, Collier County, and Marco Island.
You ready to check it out?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
To be honest, I was more excited just to jump in the water and check out these artificial reefs than spearing a fish. Out of nothing, you can begin to see the outcroppings of the artificial reef system. Giant concrete chunks all piled up, creating the ideal habitat to attract fish. At first glance, what stands out are the giant Goliath grouper everywhere. These massive creatures were some of the first to take up residency here. Once I got a feel for the structure, it was time to look for the perfect fish to spear. I was watching Captain Bill as he used his light to look under the structure. I keep seeing mangrove snapper, but I want to make sure I'm spearing a legal fish. Then, out of nowhere, a nice big mangrove snapper comes out of the reef and is in perfect position. So, I take the shot. Bam! I hit the snapper just behind the gill plate. I came around the other side of the reef just in time to see Katie sneaking up on a big lionfish. These fish, although beautiful to look at, are doing significant damage to Florida's underwater ecosystem. The lionfish is not a native fish to our waters and ends up competing with other native species for food and space. And to make matters worse, it has no known predators, except Katie and her sling spear.
My pole spear came in handy and I was able to get it off the reef. There were just so many fish on that reef. It was incredible to see on a reef that is only 2 years old.
Man, all kinds of fish down there in these artificial reefs. Absolutely spectacular. A lot of life. Our bounty, like 6 really nice mangrove snapper. Whew. Tell you what, have to admit, that was pretty fun.
View more videos at howtodoflorida.com. Presented by Visit Florida.